Hello friends, welcome to my channel Cooking Made Easy. One more puja special. Every time you do not feel like having something very spicy, today I am going to make Hawaiian salad, which is very healthy, tasty, full of nutrition and very easy to cook. That is the bottom line, that it's very easy to cook. I have taken shredded chicken here, which I have boiled and shredded in the mixie, and 1 teaspoonful of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoonful of black pepper powder, and half a teaspoonful of salt. And here finely chopped cucumber and capsicum, and I have used some seasonal fruits which I have chopped finely sometimes, or sometimes I have shredded them also. So what you can do is, friends, you can use the fruits whichever is available, and you can add any fruit of your choice. Pineapple gives amazing taste, but since my husband is allergic to pineapple, so I have to avoid it. I have now added 1 teaspoonful of curd and 2 tablespoonful of mayonnaise. Instead of curd you can use cream, but I wanted a healthy version of it, so my mayonnaise is also homemade mayonnaise. I will be sharing this recipe with you all, friends. Just give it a mix. And friends, if you all are liking my channel, please do a thumbs up, share with your friends, and new friends, please do subscribe. And I'm topping it up with some pomegranate seeds to give a lovely color, and I will be slicing very thinly some apple, and I will be decorating it. Thank you all, friends, for viewing. Be happy, be merry, enjoy the festive season. Catch you all soon.